Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from Techjet. So today I'll be unboxing this, the Eco Dot with clock, the blue color, which I bought from Amazon India, and it was launched on October 22nd in Amazon India, and it has launched in 2020 around all Amazon sites around the world such as Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, and this is the Eco Dot with clock. So let's unbox this thing. Okay, let's start unboxing. So firstly, let's see what's inside this. So when you open the box, you firstly see this, where it shows you to install the Amazon Alexa app on your phone and then plug in the Eco Dot with clock with the wall charger. So let's add. Firstly, we can see the gorgeous new beautiful 4th generation Alexa Eco Dot. Okay, so there's a new 4th generation Alexa Eco Dot 4th generation, which has a clock. So this is a blue color, and you can see that the color is pretty sweet. It looks very beautiful. And over here inside the box, except that we can find the wall charger, which you need to connect to your power plug. And then over here we can see a quick start guide over here. But basically you don't need this, and just need to use the Amazon Alexa app on your phone, and then your Alexa Amazon Eco Dot would be ready to go. Thank you for watching this video from Techjet, and I'll be daily uploading on this channel till the 31st of December, and there would be a special video on the 1st. So surely like this video, comment down below, and stay subscribed so that you can watch all the daily uploads till the 31st of December. Bye. See you in the next video tomorrow.